Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Yahoo Mail. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Yahoo Mail password. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to yahoo.com. After you log into your account, tap your username at the top right and tap Settings. Here, tap the Account Security tab. Scroll down and under This is how you sign in now, tap the Change Password link. You can now create a new password for your Yahoo Mail account. Make sure you don't use a variation of an old password or any personal information on your new password. Tap the eye icon to recheck your password and tap Continue. Tap Continue again to finish. And that's how you change Yahoo Mail password. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.